Summer's almost over, but that doesn't mean the fun has to stop. In fact, thinking about how much fun this fall will be makes me feel like I could float. What else can float? Bubbles. Why don't we end the summer by making the biggest bubbles ever? Well, they may not have been the biggest bubbles ever, but they were pretty huge, and I had big time fun making them. If you try these bubbles out at home, let me know if yours are even bigger than ours. Speaking of things that are big, why don't we read a book about something else that's giant? We're going to be reading Giant Pants by ye old Mark Fearing. Belbum was a giant, and like most giants, he was good at stomping, napping, and losing things. One morning, he lost something very important. What do you think he lost? His pants! Belbum had only one pair of pants, which the tailor in town had made just for him, and now they were lost. He searched his whole house. No pants. After peeking outside to make sure no one was watching his backyard, he searched his backyard. No pants. Giants are also good at being angry. And now Belbum was angry. Oh. Where are my pants? He roared. Unfortunately, that didn't help him find his pants, but it did make a big mess. Then he had a thought. Maybe his friends could help. Do you think his friends can help him find his pants? He checked that no one was around to see him, and then he headed off for the woods. First, he went to see his friend Polyphemus, the Cyclops. I've lost my pants, Belbum explained. Can I borrow a pair of yours? I only wear togas, Polyphemus said, but I have an extra one. Belbum tried it on. No, he said, I need pants. Did you look in your house? Polyphemus asked. Do you think that's going to make Belbum mad? Of course I did, Belbum roared and marched away. He went straight to see old Grent, who was a very wise gnome. I've lost my pants, Belbum said. I can see that, said old Grent. You can try on a pair of mine. They're stretchy. Belbum tried them on. Not stretchy enough, Belbum said. He couldn't even get it over his toe. Did you search your room? Old Grent asked. Yes, Belbum yelled as he stomped off. That's not very nice. He found Lucy the unicorn and told her that he'd lost his pants. I don't wear pants. You could try that, she suggested. I have tried it and I don't like it. Have you checked your dresser? Lucy called, but Belbum had already stormed off. He needed pants, giant pants, and there was only one way to get them. He had to walk to the tailor in town with no pants. Oh my gosh, everybody's staring at him. When he got there, the tailor made him a new pair of giant pants. Look how nice those are. Bilbum even decided to get a few extra pairs. On his way back, he gave each of his friends a pair of giant pants, just in case he ever lost his again. When he got home, he cleaned up the mess he'd made and put away his new pants. And that's when he found his old pants. They were there the whole time. Can you believe it? The end. Bye, everyone.